Standing alone, standing just out of reach, foot on the brakes, but I need to go on. Day after day as I fall behind, you keep me away from being who I am. No more chains on me. Run around, keep banging on the ground. Yeah, baby, feel that rhythm, make the speed of sound. So keep it rolling, yeah, never slow it down. Just keep it real. Upside down, these limits are undone. Yeah, baby, face it, face, you're the background. So keep it rolling, you'll never slow me down. I am what's real. Hills of fading green, unravel like the sea. Break me free. Riding till the edge of this world around. I'm doing simple life to the friends out that hear these voices that call to me to break away and try to find my way back into the home that you took from me. I'm everything you want, all you wanna be. I won't ever fall down. Keep it straight so I can break free. Hear that sound, yeah, who cares a levy, I think they're all the best one around. We keep it rolling, with this strength I found, I am what's real. Hills of fading green, unravel at the sea. Break me free. Running to the end, turn the world around. I'm risking my life for these friends I found. Hear these voices that call to me to break away and try to find my way back to the home that you took from me. I'm everything you want, all you want to be. I won't ever fall down. Give me strength so I can break free. Run until the end, turn this world around. I'm risking my life for these friends I found. With these voices that call to me to break away and try to find my way back to the home that you took from me. I'm everything you want, all you want to be. I won't ever fall down. Give me strength so I can break free. Break free.
This is a certified hood classic.